Window replacement is often overlooked in home improvement projects, but it can have a significant impact on your home's functionality, appearance, and value. For homeowners in Kendall, a region known for its warm climate and occasional tropical storms, replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient options is not just an upgrade, it's a smart investment. Here's why window replacement in Kendall is a decision that pays off in multiple ways. Energy efficiency saves money. Kendall's warm, humid climate means homeowners often rely heavily on air conditioning to stay comfortable. If your windows are outdated, they may be contributing to higher energy bills by allowing heat to enter your home and cool air to escape. Modern replacement windows, particularly those with ENERGY STAR certification, are designed to minimize heat transfer. Features like low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and advanced sealing technologies create a barrier against the outdoor heat. By reducing the strain on your HVAC system, energy-efficient windows can lower your monthly utility bills and help you recoup your investment over time. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can save hundreds of dollars annually by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Enhanced home comfort. Drafty windows, uneven temperatures, and excessive noise from outside can make your home less enjoyable. Replacing old windows with high-quality options improves insulation, keeping your indoor environment consistently comfortable year-round. Additionally, soundproofing features in modern windows reduce noise pollution, transforming your home into a quieter, more peaceful retreat, an invaluable benefit for busy areas in Kendall. Protection against extreme weather. Kendall's proximity to the coast makes it vulnerable to hurricanes and tropical storms. Replacing your windows with impact-resistant models ensures your home is better equipped to handle these extreme weather events. These windows are designed with reinforced glass and robust frames to withstand high winds and flying debris, reducing the risk of damage and increasing your family's safety. Beyond storm protection, impact-resistant windows also provide year-round security. Their durable construction makes them harder to break, deterring potential intruders. Boosted curb appeal. Windows are a defining feature of your home's exterior. If your current windows look outdated or mismatched, they can drag down your home's overall aesthetic. New windows in sleek, modern designs can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. Whether you choose vinyl, aluminum, or wood frames, replacement windows offer a fresh, polished look that complements any architectural style. In Kendall's competitive real estate market, a home with stylish, updated windows can stand out to potential buyers, increasing your property's resale value. Increased home value. Speaking of resale value, window replacement is one of the top home improvement projects that offer a high return on investment. According to industry reports, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of the costs through increased property value, often around 70% or more of the initial expense. For homeowners in Kendall looking to sell, updated windows are a compelling selling point that can attract buyers and justify a higher asking price. UV protection and interior preservation. The abundant sunlight in Kendall is a double-edged sword. While natural light brightens your home, Prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause furniture, flooring, and artwork to fade. Modern replacement windows often feature low-E coatings that block harmful UV rays without sacrificing natural light. This not only protects your interior but also helps maintain the longevity of your home furnishings. Lower maintenance requirements. Older windows often require frequent upkeep, from scraping and painting to repairing warped or rotted frames. Newer window models are designed with durability and low maintenance in mind. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, corrosion, and fading, while tilt-in designs make cleaning a breeze. By replacing your windows, you can enjoy years of hassle-free operation and a cleaner home. Environmental benefits. Energy-efficient windows don't just save money, they also reduce your home's carbon footprint. By consuming less energy to heat and cool your home, you're contributing to a greener environment. For eco-conscious homeowners in Kendall, this is a meaningful way to align home improvements with sustainability goals. Making the smart choice window replacement in Kendall isn't just an expense, it's an investment that pays dividends in comfort, savings, and property value. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance your home's appearance, or protect your family from extreme weather, modern replacement windows deliver unparalleled benefits. To maximize your investment, work with a reputable window replacement company in Kendall. They can help you choose windows tailored to your home's needs and guide you through the installation process. With the right upgrades, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and beautiful home for years to come.